y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these really cute little fuzzy bunnies using an item, well actually a couple items from Dollar Tree and some yarn that I got at Joann's. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make them. Alrighty y'all, let us get started. So first off, what you're going to need: bunny rabbit heads. Hello, bunny heads. These came from Dollar Tree. Happy Easter. Decor. However many of these that you want to make, that's how many that you need to get, of course. So I'm going to be making 3. So I have 3. I also have 3 different colors of yarn. This is the Go for Faux yarn from Line Brand Yarns. I am an affiliate for Line Brand. If you would, look in the description box down below the video and I will post my affiliate link to where you can go to their site and you can order some of this, because I've been having a heck of a time finding it in stores lately. So there's that. I got this gray color and pink. This is Pink Poodle. This light blue color is called Blue Bingle. And this one is Husky. I like how they have animal names. I like that. But anyway, you're not going to need a whole skein for the bunny head, okay? You're going to have plenty left over. So we will make these 3 and then see how much yarn we have left over. But what we're going to do for this poor little guy, I'm getting ready to rip his fuzzies off. I'm just going to grab it and just pull like so. And then just take it all the way off. Now for these doohickeys here, y'all know I save everything. You know, I might just save those. I have a jar over here that I just throw stuff like this in. Well, it doesn't want to come off. It's being stubborn. Why do you want to be that way? Just pull it off then. And later, I might just pull the little gems off and I'll throw them in this jar over here. Anyway, around and around. Now, might be tricky. Oh, look, that just came apart. Let's see. Let's get around. And these might be in 2 pieces. That's kind of what it's feeling like. Yeah, it's in 2 pieces. The back piece here has the ears attached, and then this front piece here. So let's take this off. Why are you not coming off? Now for the little pom-pom tail, we're going to use actual pom-poms. And I got those from Dollar Tree as well. I have them in a bag over here. And I will show those to you, of course, once we start using them. Why are you making this difficult? You like being difficult, don't you? There we go. I think I might just have to cut the rest of this. Cut that. Cut that. You don't want to work with me, so now you have to get cut. I'm a violent crafter. All right. Come off of there. Let me cut this off. It thought it could outsmart me, but it was wrong. So we're just going to take this off. We're going to throw it in the floor. Throw everything in the floor. And these are in 2 parts. All right, you see like the little nubbies right here? And then there's these little indentions right here. They just snap back together. Well, I said they do. It's like the little teeth thingies here on the side just wants to grab each other and hold on for dear life. So I'm going to snap him back together. All right, that was a pain in the tushy, because these pieces, they didn't want to line up perfectly with each other. So what I did is I took like a little bit of hot glue and I stuck those sides together, let it set up, and then I did it the same way over here. It doesn't matter because we're getting ready to cover it up with some yarn, okay? Anyway, this kind of yarn is very difficult to pull from the center, so I'm going to take the label off. Take it off. I'm going to move these poor bunny heads off to the side. And now we're just going to glue this yarn around and around and around this area. Then we're going to work our way up the ears. Okay. So anyway, jewelry time, jewelry time. Look at the purple ring and this awesome purple wrap bracelet. Look at that. I love purple. Anyway, all of this is from Paparazzi. Paparazzi is only $5 for each piece. And y'all know I love it. I'm an affiliate for Paparazzi, and I will have the link in the description box for that. So if you click on the link that says Paparazzi and then click on the little box that says shop, it will take you to the jewelry. Y'all know I love it. I love it. I love it. They have so many things on the site, you know. It's like once you get on there clicking around, it's like, should I get this? I'm going to get this. No, I'm going to get this. No, I'm going to get this. It is dangerous to my bank account, I'll tell you that. But hey, it's only $5 a piece, so it's a deal, right? All right, so now that we have that started, and that the glue has set up, I'm just going to put like a little bit of glue on these little parts here, and I'm just going to start wrapping the yarn. And this is going to take me a minute, so I'm just going to show you how I'm getting it started. And then I will pause the video, finish wrapping it until we get up to the ears. So you really want to stick this down because I don't want the yarn to pop off at any point or start sliding around. So I'm probably going to be putting a little blob of hot glue on every single one of these little plastic lines here. All right, so let me do that and I shall return. I have the whole head part here wrapped, and now we're going to start doing this ear, and we're going to be doing the same thing as we were doing with the head part. You know, we're just going to be putting our glue down and then wrapping the yarn around the ear. Of course, you have to do one ear at a time, and these are going to be a little bit easier than the head part, or, well, we're going to call it the body part now because that's what it is. But when you get to the top of this ear, what you're going to have to do is cut your yarn and then come back and start on this ear. But if you'll take a look at this yarn, you can see one side of it is really, really fuzzy, and then the other, you see this little, that's the base that all of the fuzz is attached to. That is the part that I'm sticking down to the plastic, okay? See, I'm just making sure that that base part is facing in and the fuzziness is facing out, okay? So I'm going to continue wrapping the ears, wrapping the ears, and then we will come back and put on his tail. Okay, so I have all 3 of my bunnies done here. How cute is that? These little shaggy bunnies. Look, how cute. All right, there's the pink one. And here, oh gosh, I killed him. And here is the gray one. And here's the blue one. I love them. I love the little fuzzy butts. All right, speaking of fuzzy butts, we're going to put on some little fuzzy tails. Now, this pom-pom kit also came from the Dollar Tree. What it is you can make chicks or bunnies. This one here is the bunny kit, and you can make, stop, glue strings. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it is 6. 6 kits. Oh, my goodness. 6 kits to make 6 little pom-pom bunnies. But, you know, I'm not going to make them, but I got it because look at all the different sizes of pom-poms. There's pink and red and white, a couple different sizes. So that's the reason why I got it. Okay, let me try to open it. I'm trying. You will not defeat me. Okay. Oh, Lordy. Okay, let me pull up my sleeves here. So we have this pom-pom here, and I'm just going to kind of fluff it up a little bit because they get pretty smashed down in the package. There we go. Pretty fluffy. So now I'm going to pick which side that I want to face out because that's the side that we're going to put the tail on. And we're going to put a big old blob of glue right there and stick her down. Uh-oh. How cute is that? Here's the little fuzzy tail. Just stick it down like that. And then once you set this back up, it's going to look like a little chunky bunny sitting there with his ears sticking up. So let's set him off to the side. Let's see here which side. I think I want this side to be the one facing out. You know, fluff this yarn up too. So let's get another pom-pom here. And we're going to fluff. Okay, and then we're going to put a big old blob right there. And stick it to his little behind. Uh-oh. I want to make sure I have the pom-poms kind of the same. There we go. Just set that there. And now we're moving on to the gray one. I'm going to have to open up another one of these little kits. Let's put that in a drawer back here. All right, I'm going to move this out of the way. Open it up. We have one more to go, the little blue one here, and then they'll be done. And of course, if you stick around after the video, are these pom-poms bigger? No. If you'll stick around after the video, of course, I'll have a photo of these and I'll put it... Hello. It just went flying over that way. Oh my gosh. Bunnies away. All right. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'll take a picture of it and I'll have it at the end of the video for y'all to see. I don't know where it went. I don't even see it. That tail like literally hauled ass that way. Excuse the language, but gosh, it did. It's gone. It's totally gone. His butt is gone. All right, let's see if I got them right. I think that looks pretty good. See, and then you set them up like this. And then you have 3 little bunny butts with their little ears sticking up. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you would, please give the video a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!